Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best 3D printer for carbon fiber. This incredible printer is primarily for users looking to use the 3D printer for more than just printing, but also for producing parts that require higher strength and durability. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the best 3D printers currently available for carbon fiber. This 3D printer can be used in any condition, from industrial to personal. It is capable of producing complex and intricate parts with precision and accuracy. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer. Calling all 3D printing enthusiasts. Feast your eyes on the incredible FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer, the undisputed champion of printing with carbon fiber. Get ready to embark on a journey of creativity and innovation. Picture this: a massive build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 inches gives ample room to bring your boldest ideas to life. But that's not all. The Guider IIS takes convenience to new heights with its intelligent auto-leveling feature. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual adjustments as it effortlessly compensates for platform height during printing, ensuring impeccable results every time. The possibilities are endless, with a nozzle temperature reaching a scorching 300 degrees Celsius and compatibility with various filaments like PLA, ABS, PVA, and electrically conductive materials. This printer handles everything from sturdy prototypes to intricate designs with finesse. The Guider IIS also excels in practicality. Its dual-platform design guarantees strong model adhesion, while the durable yet flexible build plates make removing prints a breeze. Plus, thanks to its resume printing function, unexpected power outages won't derail your creative flow anymore. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box.